January 1st, 2012. Here's the temperature on the stove. It is 12:30 at night. I came home at about 10:30. Temperature of the stove was 130 degrees. Stoked it, added the wood, got the fire going. This is what I got. I have a stove that goes down in temperature. Don't know how. I got one hell of a fire ripping in there. All nice clean wood. Beautiful wood. Been aged for about 3 years now. And it's burning. It's burning pretty good. Don't know what's going on. I'm pretty sick and tired of it, to be honest with you. It's 113 degrees. I have unplugged the one pump is unplugged. That goes, this plug right here hooks to this pump, which goes to the house. So it is not even circulating water to the house. It is just circulating to the garage. So it doesn't have to heat all that other water in the pipe since there's so much of it. Don't know what's going on. So basically, I have a stove furnace that doesn't work. Don't know why. Have no clue. And insufficient. Doesn't burn. I have to load this like this every 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours, and just can't handle the needs required. A little frustrated right now with this thing. I spent Christmas Day 3 hours cleaning it out because I had issues on Christmas morning, and now here it is New Year's, and still got issues. I got a perfectly good fire going in there, but the stove just does not go up to temperature. 113 degrees. I don't know what to do. I have nothing to say other than I am very frustrated and upset about this right now. $11,000 for something that just doesn't work.